If you missed information on any of today's guests, make sure you head over to our website at WNYLiving.tv to find out more about all the segments on today's show. You'll also find archives of past shows and clients. It's all on the web at WNYLiving.tv. Now let's head back to the Western New York Living studio.
And welcome back to Western New York Living. No matter your age, accidents happen, some worse than others. Being able to properly recover from an accident or surgery is very important and can require the assistance of a trained physical therapist. Some of the best can be found at the Greenfields in Lancaster. Here to tell us about their beautiful facility is CEO Chris Koenig. Thank you so much for joining us.
Good morning, Janet. Thanks for having me on.
First, overview of what the Greenfields is for somebody who hasn't been out to Lancaster, because what a special property it is.
Sure, no, it is beautiful. So we're a 52-acre continuing care retirement community. We have a variety of services. We have independent living, assisted living, memory care, but we also have a 160-bed skilled nursing facility.
And with the physical therapy aspect, you don't have to be a resident, do you? You can take care of the Greenfields.
Right, no, you don't. We do have subacute rehabilitation, so that's patients after they have a surgery or some sort of other issue that they need rehab for. We also have a large outpatient rehabilitation center that's attached to the facility as well.
I think it's so important that people get the right physical therapy so you get the best range of motion after a surgery or an injury, don't you?
Absolutely. You know, being a physical therapist myself, it's important that the rehab services that we offer are really top-notch, and I think Greenfields really does offer that, and you know, all of the patients that we have that come to the facility really maximize their potential, I think. Here's
what surprises and impresses me the most. You're the largest provider, the Greenfields is, of physical therapy outside of local hospitals in the area. That's something to be proud of.
Well, yeah, we're really proud of it. So we're actually the 5th largest employer of physical therapists in Western New York, so we have over 30 designated rehab professionals, and it really helps us give a one-on-one treatment approach to all of our patients that stay with us.
We were just looking at the Rehab Pool. Tell me a little bit about that.
So the pool is great. It's unique. There's really no other skilled nursing facilities around that have something like this. And you know, the supervision that a patient gets in the pool is one-on-one with a therapist, or sometimes we do have group therapy classes as well. Temperature is always just right, so it's nice and balmy in there, and it's accessible to, you know, all patients with any kind of disability. So it's a wonderful thing.
Some of the pluses about the Greenfields is you don't use contracted staff. Tell me about that.
Right, so all the staff that we have at Greenfields, they're Greenfield employees, so they're all bought into the mission that the board has put forth, which is, you know, very important to us. So we know that our staff has, you know, the same ideas and the same ideals that the board and the executives do have.
Another thing that's impressive, you feature one-on-one therapist to patient ratio. That's amazing. I've done physical therapy before where I'm like one of 20, you know, all doing physical therapy. That's a big deal.
It is a big deal, and it's great. I think it helps with the recovery. So statistically, Greenfields does very well. So the healthcare environment's changing, so there's a lot of new regulations out there, and I think the ability that we have to have one-on-one treatment allows the patients to recover faster, their outcomes are better down the line, and their satisfaction's really just better. It's a better experience for them.
How many times a day do you guys use the phrase, use it or lose it?
Probably way too many. You know, I might use it when we get out of here, but yeah, it's effective, and you know,
it is.
Gets the point across.
Well, because you know what, people are living longer, so you might as well stay fit and healthy, regardless of the knee replacement or the broken bone that you might have, something like that.
Right.
I am looking forward to that special we're going to be doing in a few months. I can't wait.
Looking forward to it too.
And congratulations on you've got such high marks at the Greenfields. You're doing a great job.
Thank you.
All right, to find out more about the rehabilitation services and outpatient therapy provided at the Greenfields, I suggest you head over to their website, which is greenfields.org. You can also give them a call at 684-3000 to talk to their helpful staff. Their beautiful facility is located at 5949 Broadway Street in Lancaster. It's the Greenfields, specializing in rehabilitation services and outpatient therapy.